Harrison Bergeron. Next database we're going to look at is Biography in Context. And it's just that, a database of biographies. So let's type in our author, Kirk Vonnegut. And on our page with Kirk Vonnegut, it'll open up first to an overview about the person being featured in the biography. In addition, down below, you will have categories from images, audio, reference, etc., pertaining to the famous person that you're researching. In addition, you have the shortcut on the right column. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at audio. And a couple of kind of nice features about using the database for audio is that it'll also provide you a transcript. So the audio piece that we're going to look at for today's project, so we're going to look at Kirk Vonnegut, A Free-Thinking American. So we'll click on this link, and as it opens, you'll notice that it also includes the transcript of the audio piece provided for you, so you can either choose to read it or you can listen to the audio. Do note that this feature here is the listen feature for the transcript. If we want to actually listen to the recording, obviously we hit play audio. And this is the one that we will be listening to, and you'll be answering your questions based upon this piece about Kirk Vonnegut after he passed away in 2007.